Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my friends. Your Chef Shaikh here again. Today's recipe, Afghani Chicken Gravy. So before I start, I'm gonna tell you my ingredient was what I'm gonna put in there. So I think you're gonna like it. Shall we start now? Okay, friend. What I have got here, I got lemon juice. I have got garlic paste. I got ginger paste. I have garam masala. Got cumin powder. Got salt. Black pepper. Turmeric powder. I've got some methi. And I have got here yogurt and coconut milk. If you don't have a coconut milk, you can get cream as well. But I'm using a coconut milk. It's a thick, creamy coconut milk. I've got chicken. It's about half kg. You got coriander. I got 1 onion. Medium size. I got 5 chili mint. Okay guys, I'm gonna put onion in there. I'm gonna put mint. I'm gonna put this chili. And I got some coriander. Okay, and I'm gonna put some oil in there. I'm putting olive oil. You can put any oil you want. Now I'm gonna grind this. Our masala is ready. Okay guys, now I got 2 spoons of ginger. This is 2 tablespoons. I got 1 tablespoon of garlic. Okay. And then I'm gonna grind this again to get a mix. Okay guys, I'll put this on one side and I'll move this. Okay. Now I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt. You can put salt according to your need. I'm gonna put 1 spoon. It's a black pepper. Half a spoon turmeric powder. I got some methi as well. It's about 1 spoon. 1 spoon of garam masala. and 1 spoon of cumin powder. Okay. And I'm gonna put juice, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay. Oops. Okay, now I'm gonna mix all of masala in there. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now, the same thing, I'm gonna put coconut cream, coconut milk, and I'm gonna put yogurt as well. And I'm gonna blend this both. Now I'm gonna put this yogurt okay guys, and now I'm gonna mix this. Okay guys, I got the oil here, so I'm gonna put chicken in there. So I'm gonna little bit fry this chicken. All chicken in. I'm gonna put heat bit high. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. Chicken is ready from both sides. Okay. So now I'm gonna put all this my masala in there. It's already, this color is looking nice. So I'm gonna leave this to cook until it gets dry. Okay guys, and I'm gonna put lid on top. Okay guys, it's been about 20 minutes. Okay, this is nearly done. Oh, already smell is so nice. So what I want a little bit more dry. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it another 5 minutes. Okay guys, the 5 minutes now is chicken is ready. Yeah, it's ready now. Yeah, so I'm gonna dish out this. Okay. Okay guys, this is my Afghani chicken gravy is ready. You can eat with this naan or roti. It's very delicious, believe me. You will enjoy it. And what you think about it, please give me feedback in comment section. And if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in the comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.